What if I told you two people start with the same $10,000, same country, same opportunities, same time, but 10 years later, one of them becomes financially free, and the other is still stuck in the same cycle? What changed? Not luck, not connections, just one decision: stocks or real estate. Now here's the crazy part. Both of them were right, but only one was right at the right time. And if you don't understand this difference, you might spend years working hard and still stay broke. So today, I'm going to explain stocks versus real estate, like you're 5 years old. But by the end of this video, you'll think like someone in the top 1%. Let's begin. Imagine this. There is a giant pizza. This pizza is a company. It could be Apple, it could be Amazon, it could be Tesla. Now, this pizza is cut into millions of tiny slices. Each slice is called a stock. When you buy a stock, you're buying one tiny slice of that company. You don't run the company. You don't work there. But you own a piece of it. Now think like a child. If the pizza becomes more popular, more people want a slice, what happens? The price of each slice goes up. That means your slice becomes more valuable. That's how you make money in stocks. You buy a small piece, and if the company grows, your money grows. Simple. But there's more. Some companies also give you rewards, just for holding their stock. This is called a dividend. It's like the company saying, "Hey, thanks for owning a piece of us. Here's some money." So even if you do nothing, money can come to you. That's the power of stocks. Now let's talk about real estate. Instead of pizza, think about a house. A real house. Walls, doors, windows, something you can touch. When you buy real estate, you're buying property. It could be a house, an apartment, or even land. Now, how do you make money here? There are two simple ways. First, the price goes up. You buy a house for $100,000. After a few years, it becomes $150,000. You sell it, you make profit. Second, you rent it. Someone lives in your house, and they pay you every month. That's called rental income. So even while you sleep, money comes in. Sounds amazing, right? But there's a catch. Houses break, pipes leak, tenants complain. This is not passive like stocks. This is more like owning a small business. You are the boss, but you also handle the problems. Now let's compare them, like a simple game. Round 1, easy to start. Stocks. You can start with $10. Just open an app. Click, buy. Real estate. You need thousands of dollars. Down payment, loans, paperwork. Winner? Stocks. Round 2, effort. Stocks. Sit at home. Press a button. Real estate. Fix problems. Manage tenants. Deal with stress. Winner? Stocks. Round 3, income. Stocks. Some pay dividends, but not all. Real estate. Rent comes every month. Winner? Real estate. Round 4, growth. Stocks. Can grow very fast. Some people turn $1,000 into $10,000, even $100,000. Real estate. Grows slower, but more stable. Winner? Depends on your goal. Round 5, risk. Stocks. Prices go up and down every day. Very emotional. Real estate. Moves slower, but crashes can still happen. Remember 2008? People lost homes, not just money. So both have risk, just different types. Here's the truth. The real answer is not stocks or real estate. It's stocks, then real estate. This is what most rich people do. Step 1, start with stocks, because it's easy. Low money. Fast learning. Step 2, grow your money. Keep investing. Stay consistent. Let time do the work. Step 3. Use that money to buy real estate. Now you get the best of both worlds. Growth from stocks, stability from real estate, income from rent. This is how wealth is actually built. Not overnight, but step by step. Let's take a real example. John starts with $10,000. He invests in stocks. Every year, he adds more money. After 10 years, he has $80,000. Now he uses that money as a down payment for a house. He buys a property, rents it out. Now someone else is paying his mortgage. At the same time, his stocks are still growing. Now compare this with someone who waited, saved cash, did nothing, and lost time. Time is the real difference, not money. The earlier you start, the bigger the result. Most people fail because of simple mistakes. They panic. Market goes down. They sell. Market goes up. They buy late. They follow hype. They don't understand what they're doing, or they wait too long. I'll start next year. I'll invest when I have more money. That day never comes, and years pass. The biggest mistake? Doing nothing. One day, you will wake up, and you'll have two options. Go to work, or not. And the scary part is, most people won't have a choice because they never learned how money works. But now you do. You understand stocks. You understand real estate. You understand the strategy. So the question is not, which is better? The real question is, when will you start? Because time is the most powerful investment you have. And once it's gone, you can't buy it back. So choose wisely. Start small. Stay consistent. And let your money work for you. If you made it this far, comment below, stocks or real estate. And I'll personally tell you which one you should start with, because the right decision today can change your next 10 years.